chili.
Pwede yung melon.
Maganda to.
Saka, sili. Ba't hindi pa yung nagtayo nagkanin ng labuyo? Mas mahal. Kaya magkano ba may labuyo?
600.
outside.
600 expensive.
Yeah.
600.
You can make accessories on it.
Yeah, very expensive.
Ito, this is 3,000 square meters. This one. So with this grow bed, you can plant fruits, vegetables. Yes, this is all important.
To get the water from the pumping station, water goes into directly, whatever the plant does not use, collected down here, collected, and sent back to the tank. To irrigate the double use of the water, fertilizer.
Yung pressure.
para ano sila
So it's greener.
That here is much higher than outside.
Ganda ng mga ano eh.
Green and full green.
green and blue.
Yes.
Masustansya.
Lagay natin sa
And this thing produces.
Here we produce one plant from
One plant.
producing 140 tons per year. This one. A year, 120 tons per year. One we grow that's producing 2 cycles a year. Mini sweet pepper. That's
bango pa.
How many times you change the bed?
4 cycles. And we put it in the open field. So we take this and mix it with the soil. Mix it.
So that's the miscellaneous operation. But you, at least you have 3 cycles.
And you use it to improve the open field. And now we're looking for a new option.
Or even selling.
Even sell it to nurseries. Nurseries buy it, by the way. And it's the cocoa is produced material.
Boy!
That's the gold mine. Meron na pong amoy.
Yan tayo.
Mas mainit na siya.
Oo, mainit na. Mainit na ng
Cesar, no? Cesar. Sar. Para ka nang bumili sa Japan. Galing ka. Walang biro. Kami quality.
Ganda.
Parang ano nasa Japan, mahal-mahal nito. How long 2 months. In one piece.
If we want to maintain the quality, we use one. We can put two, but we want the highest quality. We're looking only for stable
This
quality.
one. So all the nutrients and all other things goes only into one dish.
And then you get
So when you see one is very important,
take it out. Yes, because then you get the same size, you get the same sweetness, you get the same product. If you start doing 2 or 3, you get maybe more kgs per plant, but the quality is not the same. They're in different sizes, they're in different bricks that have sugar. And we're speaking about quality.
Their full cycles running at the same time. Always a consistency.
The melon cycle is built so that it's not like the capsicum or cherries, where you harvest every week. Cherry you harvest every week. 500 kgs, capsicum about 1 ton per week. Here in the melon, it's all right at the same time. So you need to harvest at one time, about 5.5, 6 tons when it's ready. So you need to build your operation around every 3 weeks or so. It's taking about
still but then try.
This one is great inside.
Yun yung like.
take the plant out and start a new cycle.
Yan yung green ng laman.
Easy po harvest.
Ano yung weird na. Green ng laman. Pero favorite ko. Parang honeydew.
Pero iba yung quality natin. Diba? Matagal yung shelf life. Hindi siya mabilis matuloy.
Oo, ganda-ganda na nga kinuquality nila. Great pass.
How many?
Here now, this is in the final stages. We're going to harvest it by the end of this week, starting next week, depending on the sugar level. And we are now stressing the plant, not giving it a lot of water. We want it to send all of the energy and the sugars to the fruit. So this is really the end of the final stages.
And this is the silence.
Stress in the end, before harvest, you have to stress the plant. When you stress it, it's more than what's the thing is all the aggregation helps you control it. If you're outside you cannot control, whereas here you can control and then produce like what's this?
Honeydew.
Sawa? Ito yung quality. You see the quality talaga.
Walang pekas eh. Kumbaga walang acne sa mukha. Flawless. Parang binibelo yung yung mga prutas dito. Honeydew. So you deliver this hotels, or the one who's what do you call this? Who is in there?
Yeah. No,
Supermarket. And they pay cash. Not
Oversee the cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes next.
Sarado muna.
Close mo na next batch.
Wala ba to?
Cherry tomatoes. Okay na kung makakuha nito. Ang ganda naman yung shot ko eh.
You're in a dangerous
Ito maganda itong color. Yung ano parang tapos nagpa-pop yung daily farmers. Daily farmers kasi. Tapos na lang. So parang farmers best. So parang wait lang. Ano nabasa?
Dito, wala namang buto. Meron pa? Dito na naman magsubo ito.
just system of and the consequence.
Vegetable boxes. Ayun, doon dito natin. Ay, mahirap sila sa. Ganun.
200.
Later on in the day we open different varieties, depends on the customer. Restaurants like smaller brown, have yellow types, blonde types. This is actually really good food. So you pick every day?
We decide
3 times a week.
3 times a week.
3 times a week you have harvest. If you have a special big order, you can go. You see that really now the plants look phenomenal. Here we're moving towards the yellow varieties that we had before. You see the amount of fruit per plant is very, very big. It's not very, very common, but you see this amount of fruit. And once you take it up, you actually doing this type of method, you have no plants growing. You take it up, so they're not on top of each other getting diseases. You're opening in between the lines, so air is flowing. That's the main problem, the humidity and the heat. Once you get the air flowing, all the diseases come down, all the pathogens come down, you have much more.
And this did not to have the climate control except for natural wind.
And
Sunlight.
the UV control. So usually in the morning it's open, and then it goes during the day. If it's a cloudy day, you open the all day to get the right amount of the sunlight. A little bit about the structure. So why do we need such a big structure and not a smaller one? The thing is we have the overlapping arch. Meaning one arch is lower, and one arch is higher, and all the hot air is going up and just getting thrown out of the greenhouses, meaning that the air changes are much more frequent when you go to higher structures. So if we're in the tropics, we want to produce commercial level, we need to have these higher structures in place.
By the way, supervisor.
على صفر سايكل قوي.
Yes, Greg Canoe, supervisors of the greenhouses, handling a lot of people. The different work that we have.
Kanina pa bumubulong sa akin, sorry. Yan. Si Ronnie.
Yeah, ano?